People always complain about how much it costs to build a home in the Gambia. These three things are the main reasons why it's very expensive to build your home in the Gambia. Number one, material cost. It's very expensive to build in the Gambia because of the cost of material. 90% of the things or materials we use to build with are all being imported, being it cement, tile, paint, and all the other things except for sand. Apart of that, all the other things that you need to build a luxury home is all being imported. Number two, labor cost. So it's very difficult to have experts or qualified personnel that will do your job on the side. And the few qualified ones that we have are very difficult to lay your hands on. So to be able to get those experts on your side and be able to deliver to your expectation, you have to pay a considerable amount of money, more than what's commonly paid in the industry. That will make so that you'll be able to retain them and make them work on your projects to deliver to expectation. Number three, equipments. Equipments are a part of the construction process, which is very important in making sure that your project goes smooth and also the required techniques are being followed during the construction process. Things as big as bulldozers, concrete mixers, to even smaller items like the wheelbarrow and the hammer. These equipments are very essential in the building construction process. And the cost of all these items has to be put in your BAQ by the contractor, some of which are very difficult to have and they are actually not always available for rental. So these are some of the things that make your project so bulky to the extent that it's unbelievable for you to go through that in your construction process. But we don't have a choice. We have to go through it to make sure our projects go through the right process. But if you have a good contractor, that's a plus.
Nice.
And that's going to help you a long way in making sure that everything that you need from start to end is all being put into schedule so that you know what to provide and what not to provide. So choose your contractor wise to be able to get on your project in a peaceful way without so much hassle or struggle. And also having a good contractor will help you have so much peace during the construction process. And at some point you might want to relax and just chill. So these are some of the things that make constructing your home in the Gambia very expensive sometimes compared to other countries that actually produce some part of the building materials that they need for construction. So for that being the case, you have to know that some of these things can actually account in your bill of quantity. So this is MJ. See you on the next one.